It's over. King's Dominion next.
This ride is so fun.
Haven't really spoke today. We've been at King's Dominion all day. We just rode Reptilian twice. Just rode Toonbeely. This is a different experience at this park. We just literally been walking on the ride. It's so different, but it's very relaxing. I like it. Fun park. Not better than Kings Island, but it's a fun park. King's Dominion. We had fun yesterday. It's our last day of our road trip. That's fun. Well, we done. We done for the day too. We in a little VIP area. We rode damn near everything except Dominator and something else. But our road trip is done. We going to Fredericks, Maryland for a hotel. So we ain't got to drive 10 hours or 9 hours, whatever it is, to get back to Michigan. But I'd say Hershey Park is our favorite. Over Cedar Point now. The King's Dominion. Pretty nice. Yeah, Cedar Point need to do this. Their stuff looks real nice. But I'm tired. I'll catch you on the road.